Everything you want in life, you can have. You can have all your wants in life. But not 1 second before, you stop making excuses for not having what you want.
What are the things that you fear that's been keeping you from living your dream? That's been keeping you from doing some things that you would like to do? Just think about those things. Maslow said that life is about growth. And he said, you can either go back to your comfort zone, and there you won't find any growth. Or you must be willing to go forward and face your fears again and again and again.
You get rid of those excuses of life. You get rid of the voices of what everyone else says, because there's two people inside of you, right? There's the person that everyone else sees on the outside looking in. And then there's the other person. The person you believe your potential can be, what you can see it, what you see that you can be.
But it's the difference between being stopped by fear. It's the difference between having a fear and the fear having you. So what do? One, acknowledge it. And knowing that it's okay. Don't condemn yourself for being afraid. It's perfectly fine to have some fears. Because once you embrace it, see, what you resist will persist. What you resist will persist. So one of the most important things is to begin to embrace your fear.
I've noticed that the people who dream and those people who dream big have a different kind of life than the people who don't dream. So if you were here and you're like, I'm scared, whatever you do this for me. Do not sabotage yourself with fear. Fear is not real. That's something in your brain. Like, it does not exist. How do we get over it? You get over it by dreaming of what you can be. Come on, y'all gotta hear what I'm saying. There are those of you in this room, you spend a majority of your life doing what other people want you to do. You don't even know who you are. And so even what you're doing, you're not doing at 120% because you're doing what somebody else wants you to do, and you're not good enough to be somebody else. So I need you to be selfish on the first tier, and that's dreaming. I need you to be real selfish.
Is one to embrace and embark on. This is a situation that you will find your true colors of life.
You know, I hope it is fucking hard. I hope it's so fucking hard that no one can do it. I want it so fucking hard to be so hard and so challenging that when I get it, man, I reap all the reward. Man, you're someone that believes it. You got confidence. And no matter what's in front of you, the never say die attitude drives you through it. You've got to believe that strongly that you will cross that finish line to success.